Hi guys, here we are at the Hilton, room 4298. This is our room tour. So this, like I said, this is the Hilton at Gatwick Airport, South Terminal. We're here just for the night before we fly off to Tampa. Family room, so you get a nice big double bed and two singles over there. Start down by this one, you've got the aircon. Got plug sockets with two USB ports, and a reading light there.
While you're there, flip the light on you see better. There we go, look at that's better.
Again, you got the same there by that bed, and again same over there at the side of that bed. So plenty of USB charging. You've then got the workspace here. Doesn't come with a curtain. But you've got two more USB charging points, normal sockets, and two European sockets there as well.
Cool.
You've got a nice spot there if you want to do any sort of editing or anything like that. Videos. So you've got TV, large one there. Then you've got the wardrobe, which has got your head.
Hold on, where's the light?
The hairdryer.
Turn the light on.
Yeah. There we go. So you've got the hairdryer, ironing board, iron up there, you've got the 4 glasses, kettle,
sorry, spoon.
spoons,
Oh my goodness.
plenty of milk,
Loads of
teas and coffees,
yeah.
coffee. Let's have a look at the kettle, see if that's,
Nice and clean.
yeah.
Yeah.
We go off into the bathroom. So you've got your body lotions, hand washes there. Nice big vanity area.
Yeah.
Plenty of towels and full size tub there.
Some on the bed as well.
And more conditioner, shampoo, shower gel, all that sort of stuff.
Perfect. Nice. Nice room.
Yeah, nice big
Wasted
room.
space.
Mm-hmm. So this we booked for through Holiday Extras. It's about £160 for the night before we fly off. Okay, so that's your bathroom. And let's look at the room there. We booked this through Holiday Extras. It was £61 for the night, which for the 4 of us is great value before we fly.
It's only a minute's walk, don't forget, from.
Yes, this hotel is connected by a covered walkway to the terminal. About a 5-minute walk.
If that.
Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.